Okay, my name is Kyle Brittain, and today we'll be going over the skill of shooting a soccer ball. To start, I'm going to go over the critical elements. You start with your planting foot, pointing in the direction that you want the ball to go. Your striking foot will be hit with you will strike the ball with the laces of your shoe. Your chest will be over the ball, and then you follow through. Today, I'm going to be performing the skills, and Abby Cooper will be recording. Okay, so now I'm going to do a walkthrough of the skill of shooting. So to start, when you come up to the ball, like I said, your planting foot needs to be pointed in the direction that you want the ball to go. You're going to bring back your striking foot and strike it with the laces of your shoe. So it's going to be like this, and then your chest is going to be over the ball, and you're going to follow through on it. So it's going to look like this, kind of like a walkthrough. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit faster pace so you can see how it would be in a game-like situation. We're going to do this in multiple angles. So first we're going to start off by doing the side, and then I'm going to get an angle where you're doing the front. All right, so here's full speed. Okay, so now we're going to do it from the front angle just so you guys can see that. Like I said, remember, plant your foot in the direction with the ball, kick the ball with your laces, chest over, and follow through. Full speed, straight ahead. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. That was the sport skill of shooting a soccer ball. Just keep in mind, I know I've said this a lot, but the critical elements of it are plant your foot pointing in the direction that you want the ball to go, shoot with your laces, chest over the ball, and follow through. Special thanks to Abby Cooper for recording the video. I appreciate it a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.